What's going on, y'all? It's going to be a second video I make of this chainsaw powered scooter I made. It's actually for sale. It's a Razor E300 with a Poland 3400. It's a 56cc chainsaw motor. It's got a KTM 85 SX pipe on it from a motocross bike. Fabbed that flange up, so it bolts right up to the block. There's a gasket behind it too. It's got a Chinese gas scooter gas tank. I outfitted that because the tank inside the motor right here was a lot smaller. You can run about 30 miles with that tank that's on the back of it. There's a kill switch wired up to the handlebars. Good safety feature to have. So what I'm going to do is crank it up and do a flyby. I'm looking to get 225 or best offer for this thing, so fire this thing up really quick. There's no primer, so you just got to choke it.